Hi guys, so today I'm here with all 13 of my baby alive, counting this little birdie. They all wanted to try to get her out of the cage and see what she'll do because we'll try. So I never took her out of the cage since they met her. She's been growing since then. You can stick her fingers in the cage. She won't peck. So we'll have to see if she comes out whenever we unlock the cage. She might want to stay in, but she might come out. Come on, birdie birds. Okay, she did come out, so maybe she don't have to stay in her cage. No, okay, she has to stay in her cage. So no one take her out of the cage, okay? She hasn't learned yet. Okay. I don't promise that. Brooklyn, you're going to keep her in the cage. So I'll let her over here so you guys can stick your finger in the cage and pet her. So I'm about to go take a nap. So Kelly, right here is Kelly. Avery, you hold Kelly. So I'll keep the camera against the board. So good night. Hey guys, it's Brooklyn. And I was gonna sneak and open up the birdie because it should like me, because the bird likes me only, because they don't like other people too. So let me just go get my mom to do this. So I thought I'd just sneak it. How do you unlock it? Is there like a secret password? It looks like there's like a secret password. Hey, look, I'm doing it. So I opened it. So I should take this somewhere secret so no one finds out to do this. So this is somewhere secret, and the baby alives have just been talking to each other. They don't really know I'm really doing this. So that's really good, because they don't need to know, because they'll tell on me, and then Mom will just get so mad at me. So let's try to get her out. Okay, she got out. She didn't really like to get out. She just cried when she got out, so I had to keep her quiet. So I told her to come out. Looks like it likes me. Ouch, oh, mommy, get back in that cave. She learned how to fly. I gotta catch that bird!
If Whammy were stranded in the Mojave Desert, he'd be stuck in what state? Jessica.
Arizona.
Is he in Arizona? Nevada?
I gotta get that bird!
Mojave Desert, he is in
Oh no, how am I supposed to get up there?
right here, Frank. No question. Okay, here we go. Players, next question. 53%.
That looks really bad. I need to get up there. Cut. So, my mom never tells me to do this, but I'm still doing it.
53%.
So, I'm on this. Ouch.
73%, Jeff.
Okay,
63.
I can reach up.
Well, 53% of them said he'd be gone.
Now I gotta get the bird.
53%. Jessica stays at 0. Yolanda stays at 0.
That bird is a tricky bird. It will trick you. But I caught it.
Three choices here. Was it Tom Cruise, or Brad Pitt, or Antonio Banderas? Right? Still Brad Pitt.
I want some bird seeds. But it's also gonna get... Well, I want some bird seeds. And it's also gonna get locked in here. Got the bird out without getting in trouble. Now that's a genius. Well, off to bed. Not my sis. Do you guys want to take a nap or...
A collection of nursery rhymes, first published back in the 18th century, were said to be written by a fictional author named Mother What? Right. That would be Goose. Mother Goose. Is it Mother Goose, Mother Earth, or Mother Mary? Jessica?
Mother Goose.
Good morning, everybody. Give me a good nap. You just took a nap. Well, I better find the bird. How is she gone? She must have... Brooklyn, you did it. No, I didn't. All I did is take her out of the cage and put her back in, and then I went back over here. Oh. Is that true, guys? Yeah, we kind of watched her, but we didn't want to wake you up. Oh. So, maybe escape from this big hole right here. Or unlock this. Because this is very easy to unlock. So it's somewhere around the house, girls. It's bad. How's that bad? Because what if it gets stepped on? And it gets hurt? Oh no, we need to find it. That's up to you, Brooklyn, because you're the one that got her into this mess. I'm not going after her. Yes, you are, Brooklyn. That's your punishment. You should have never even been doing that. Go, Brooklyn. Fine. Fine. Go, Brooklyn. I wonder where she's down there. No. Is she in the door? Now, it's pretty obvious how to open a door, though.
To learn about special financing for 18 months and how to save over $550 for the new year.
I see it in the camera. I looked in the camera and I think this is a front camera, so it's just like opportunity to get off camera. So, I found her, Mom! You did? Come here, baby girl. Hey, thanks, Mom. No, I was calling the bird baby girl. Oh. So, we're gonna put you back in. So, I have to open up the cage. Get in there, bird. Wait! No, get in there. Stay there. Lock. Mission accomplished. Guys, you need to keep an eye on this bird. The vet said that whenever I went there, that she could escape sometimes. Oh no! Yeah, so you guys gotta keep an eye on this bird. That's why I got it. You wanted a pet, and this is a pet, and you gotta take care of it. That's why I got it, so we could take care of it. They said no one was taking care of this pet, so I got it. I got a little birdie. Well, we love the bird, Mom, and there is a video about us meeting the bird and getting the bird a surprise. It was last time. It was 18 hours ago. Yeah, it was last night. It was 18 hours ago. So, or it could be 16 hours ago. I don't remember. So, you guys keep an eye on this pet. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this skit. This was just a little skit. It's not a real bird, but it's always going to be their pet. And, I just thought it was a cute little skit to do for the baby lives to not watch the bird and it escapes by itself. You can probably see my hand movements in it, like my hand, like, because it's just a little role play. It can't really walk and, well, it can talk, but it's not really, it's like a toy talking thing. It's like toys can talk. It's like a baby alive can talk, if you guys know what I mean. But it doesn't really walk and stuff. It's just, we like to role play it, so we like this little life bird. It's a little life pet, and it came in that little bird cage that I got for Christmas. My friend gave it to me. She said it was $80 for her. I doubt it, but she always lies at me. So I don't know if it was $80, but I think it was like $60 at Toys R Us, because she had to drive all the way to Toys R Us to get Chloe right here. She got this for me as a gift. So Chloe was a gift from my friend. That's why I didn't unbox her, because she wasn't unboxed. My friend just gave the doll to me, and she didn't give all the accessories away to me. So I was like, just give it to me. I won't record the box opening. Okay, so yeah, this was just a little skit. Birds cannot. That was a fake bird for all the baby lives. I'm not trying to trick you to thinking that it's a real bird. It's just a little skit. So, yeah, like everybody makes skits and stuff. How cute it is. Yeah. So, well, yeah, but, so, please click like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this skit that I wanted to do. And there will be videos coming up soon. And I probably not make anyone in these for about an hour, because I have to work on my project that I had. So, you guys can't really see me. So, yeah, this was just a little skit. I'm not trying to trick you, thinking it was me, or thinking the bird was real. So, yeah, it was just a skit. So, please like and subscribe. Bye. And let me know in the comments if you want more skits like that. Bye.